idea what's going to happen.
Or who it's going to be.
Ladies and gentlemen, Master Illusionist Hakan Bird, the king of birds.
Illusions. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Oh, it's a living dove. Beep 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 beep. Oh no. What? Magic.
Nice.
Yeah, it's alive. It's alive. If it moves, it lives. Beep 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 beep. Be still. Be still. The batteries will run out. Beep 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 beep.
Do that.
Beep 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 beep. Newspaper we know. Yeah. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep. It's alive. It's alive. It moves. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Yes. I will now do the classic trick, the champagne in the newspaper. I will take the champagne, I will pour it in the newspaper like this. All the champagne in the newspaper like that. It's gone! It's gone! Thank you so much! Oh no, champagne, oh no, champagne. In your face!
In your face!
Two doves. One dove. It's gone! Magic! The newspaper! Fantastic!
Ladies and gentlemen, Master Illusionist Hakan Bird, the king of birds. The king of birds.
If it moves, it lives. Beep, 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 beep. You want some food? You want some food? Oh. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Come see, come see. Oh, yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. You want some food? You want some food? You want some food? Yeah.
In your face!
I am the king of birds.
The king of birds.
You want some food? Beep, 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 beep. I exist in every bird. Every bird exists in me. But everyone has their own spirit bird. Here I got selfies from bird friends all around the world. 55,000 birds. So we will now find out what spirit bird you are. Amanda,
Okay, yeah.
please say land in my hand.
Land in my hand.
Land in my hand. Don't look at it now, just hold it. This is your spirit bird. Ashley, say rest in my nest.
Rest in my nest.
Please hold it, don't look at it. Thank you. And Lisha, there you got. Say spread my wings and fly high in the sky. Yes, say.
Spread my wings and fly high in the sky.
That's your spirit bird, don't look at it. David, take one card. And David, say, I spread my wings and fly around things.
I spread my wings and fly around things.
That's really good.
Thank you.
That's your spirit bird. So now, Amanda, I'm going to start with you. So look at your spirit bird. Look at it. Perfect. Look here. Want some food? Hey, Ashley, look at your spirit bird. Put it in your mind. Hey! Put your spirit bird in your mind, Ashley. You have it in your mind.
Yeah.
I'm going to tear your spirit bird from this newspaper. So please tell me, what is your spirit bird?
It's an eagle.
Eagle.
Oh, yes!
The king of birds.
Fly away. Alicia, do you see this bird egg? Yes, you do. Look at your spirit bird.
Okay.
Put it in your mind. You have it in your mind. Throw it into this balloon.
What bird?
Was it a parrot? A red one.
Yes.
If it moves, it moves.
The king of birds.
Empty magic box. David, look at your spirit bird. Put it in your mind and transfer it to this empty magic box. David, you are a duck. Duck.
I've got rabbit.
You got rabbit.
Yes.
Hello, everybody. Yes, my name is David. I'm David. David the rabbit. David. David, go down in the magic box. David. David. So we all have spirit birds inside of us.